Here is a close look at the Cusinine tongs. These are an excellent product if you are looking for some nice tongs that are easy to store. They work very well and are very versatile too if you're just trying to flip around salad or flip some burgers. These are some great tongs, and the one standout feature here is this piece down here that allows you to remove one part of the tong and then flip it around, and then it stores more easily, which I'll show you in a second. But one thing that does make this a bit trickier as well is that it doesn't have a clasp. So while you're using it, there is a chance that it could just slide out. I find that it's pretty strong, but it's just one thing to keep in mind that it can just kind of move around while you're using it. So just bear that in mind. That is the one thing that I would change if I could. Now let me go ahead and show you. So you just go ahead and slide it out like so, and then I flip it around and then stick it right back in. And now we have my tongs all ready to be stored and nicely put together too, so I don't have to worry about them coming apart and losing one of them or something like that. Works very, very well. But again, you know, there's no clasp, so it can slide out a little bit easily. So just keep that in mind. But overall, these tongs, I would definitely recommend them.